What's up guys, Nikoru vlog here, and today's video I'm with Mr. Shabu and Mr. Javin, the owner of the DUNES company. Safari and camping. If you wanted to get away from the hustle and bustle of your busy life, the DUNES Camping and Safari provides you traditional and authentic camping and safari experience. The elevated tree houses will give you a perfect sunrise and sunset view. Premium dome tent with a mountain view, outdoor seating area, and attached bathroom. Thank you. So I have omelette. The package comes with the welcoming drinks, snacks, breakfast, and dinner. Start safari?
This is last year, 2019.
2019?
Yeah, December.
And how is it so far?
Almost 1 year.
Why safari?
We are in UAE, it's a Gulf country. So we try to concentrate, the traditional way. I mean, than the hotels.
Actually, I really love the concept.
We try to mix it with tradition and the modern way.
Luxury and traditional way.
Yes, like glamping. compared to your competitors?
Actually, we are giving more safety and comfort. We are giving more to the guest. That's our main USP.
And affordable, yeah?
Affordable too. Yeah.
And dune tents and tree houses. I mean, it's unique. I mean, it's you cannot see much things like here in UAE.
This experience will surely give you the escape, relaxation, and fun that you most deserve. And now it's about time for fun activities. Thank you so much, Mr. Shabu and Mr. Jabin, the owner of this amazing The Dune Safari Camp. And special shout out to Jessa, Samaka TV, and Kuya Pat. Nice meeting you guys. See ya! Bye! Thank you! So, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please do subscribe, like, and share. See ya! Bye!